I'm in love with you. You are in love with someone. The truth is you are mine, and I am yours. Stolen chef, stolen chef, stolen chef. Hey, I won't cry. When you baby, I couldn't dominant in the will be. Love me because I love you. I will never let you go.
Yes. The other person can tell me no. Me. I know him as solid. You're Diana no about my sister. Don't say she want no more play. Yeah, or powers when you're breaking at our sell watching. This time I can't you went.
Hey. Why? Him also why? Minja kola na do one about too much simple sir. What did I make a show no?
So don't you sister name?
80 day.
Black.
80 day.
Black.
How dare you come?
Hey. Wouldn't baby out in there. Men fuck at the sima any minion man put to go. And they can't infringe my same. I make us me me. So far as I know what's now for 2 months. Manuel Janama, Minyama won't connect. What's not count? Sir. What will me say?
No, yeah. Me banners with you. Me cannibal. See, I make a cannibal. So you know, maybe I'm Jimmy. Are they?
One are they?
Is it by force?
One are they?
No, is it by force to date?
Ow! There's a whole party today. Or be looking at my look and say, oh, one money free.
What is all this?
Oh, man, you want to so check him so.
Yeah.
So, Papa, because me.
Don't try me.
Mr. Pastor,
Jamie, one of my catch on. Jamie, one of my catch on. What will
2 months?
And today?
2 months.
And today?
Men read animal.
I'll be all been in a jive for almost a decade. Now, and today.
Me and my relationship with Siano. And I mean, who one year, yeah. One as I sit to them catch me say that me, my yam, are you okay? No, one better home for baby.
No.
Okay, I can talk about 1 penny. Many my dear
situation, a woman in Mamma Casa. Yeah.
And it mean, can you come?
Yeah, it's just me not tomorrow. And when you bear money, when you're for can you be a jingle?
There be also first, I'm bear Martin quad. There is no way. Sir,
yeah, there is a way, Sam equal. Are they?
There is a way. And a wood ya grow. Wood ya grow. Men fuck at a sheep quo. Black. Men fuck at a sheep and quo. Nami yama uncle. Hey, now come here, Joe, Papa. I come at Jimmy, Papa. Esla ni akwala.
Went ye me.
Me atosu ni akwala na di media grow.
One some mu achia fa so.
Enti nnuane anona na ye wa usika na ahye agu. Ewrade nyame. Ohima. Enye se obegina hanom na woni me asema oba beka yenta se also want na se na adwen so de katashi wo hu so oni ma bodani pan wo hia no me woni me baba de da ma ba no adwan ma no asafa wadi 2 months
me amabele kro na ye me ya
2 months
emu aduane no ana sole madana wunyane me chese
na me wande kwa me ntwe ma wonko o de kwa no tupsi ye wa me woni mi mejai e ya gro no wodi
waboa
wo ibo ka so woni mi mejai
wa tale ne papa semita waboa waboa
ena kebeji yesika na sa na atwempna nese wo pa che se nese
wo kan che sika ni no anyu aduane na wanno hu sika nyina me
ohima sisi anu o pa kire me se obi wo situation ma eni kwansa wo boa na na
sa no pese o kire o pa che se o mu hu se wa adwen no e wo fom de adwuma na adu
wa che me dwon
o de adwuma na adu aka
kire de black and family di agro
when I love is in love with someone. My friend also my betweener is killing me softly, killing me softly. I want to know it is love, it is love, it is love. I don't wanna fall against any Dobby, no Dobby, me probably, no baby. Falling for my bestie, but I'm the one in love with you. And this I know Dobby, yeah, or Dobby, Dima, who, or Dobby, mama. Odo kodi baby basa afede ama hunu. The one I love is in love with someone. My friend also my betweener is killing me softly.
Obapa Kusia.
Good morning.
Morning, let's say.
Wako, it's me that ye.
Oh, me that ye pa.
Radiasi.
Na duane ye ready.
Oh, isi so anchi bia baby. You come do. Hey. You want to fasting you say to say.
With me kanina.
Hey. Mate.
Na udisi so ansa na be pa ha.
Isi so. Why? So me nim say bia anchi bia ba so nti no. Isi so anchi. Why? Okay. Na me ra kitchen ho.
Oko kitchen ho. Na woman musu asem kakra.
Okay. Hey.
Oye adwuma wa ha che.
Oh, so many times.
So many times.
Meaning long ago.
Oh, I see. Into no boy na wa ha na.
Hey. Boy. Until me the menu swadi akura na ne sa se mimi ye adwuma wo bi fie de masa kofa me boy abetena. Me boy ne krampo me ni bi de makofa bi abetena. Boy yo anko nam.
Unka bi wi da.
Konam.
Ampa. Obi ambere wukuru.
Adwuma yo nsa unya time nko na wapie. De bia ma me no tutu kwan nti no. Okwaye se wo na wo hwe achi na wo hwe fie ha nyina nti no. O ntimi nso so onso we panyini che mi ntimi nkofa be ma sem de ne ba ha se na be bibi. Timi mpie na manya boy ni bi.
Ani area hafo de kaka ise dwanam.
Sese.
Mate, oze.
Sese.
Oh, so wo kama, wo ye kama, wo ofe. Na se be me bia ma wa kwan mu na.
Mpie.
Okay, mate.
Atena na wo here madam hu.
Mi ankasa na mo Cape Coast. Cape Coast na matana takra de pan na mankasim. Tu ko Cape Coast na uko Abra market na ubusa ko fante. Ye no twi taxi na.
Ante wa fantinia.
Enyo. Hey, awete a.
Pio.
Echa.
Pio.
Ene me sha bi ko fante. The man naughty. Ewa. Amena me twi taxi.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Taxi no amu na ase. Me de ba be pie ha. Na obrani di mani ama. Afi taxi na me twi no. Ha me ama me fon ye ketekete na me taristia no ho.
Oh.
Obeba na enye stia no me na me mom na me twan stia no. Beteka nim so na stia no e twan wo ka nim.
Oh.
Ti afi o ma no mo fu me taxi nyina o mu jaifro.
Oh.
Kozu nya betana ka nim pe na me nya tuka na ekwa. Stia no na me taristia no.
Hey.
Ni twan me. Eni omo mfoka no mutimi tia mu saa so ka nim be kwa akoduru. Enti ho no ma to medin wine no.
Hey, why no? No wankasa ewozin.
Oba Abra market na obebusa sa ohwe ko fante wine no obi abeche.
Wankasa wajiudin.
Na afi. Bi ankasa no eja be sa ba ha Abrabo no ma mbe ye. Be ko catering school nti aduane nso de minim no apa tore bi na o ye aduane na opese me boa wa. Betima boa wo.
Sa. E ko wo here.
Ame catering school no me kosua no wo mankasim. Krona no ho no. Oba na aberia bi wo ho. Nchichewo catering school. Ho na me kokosua no.
Okay. Matia. Wa ara ni eka. Wani what's a meka what ati. Nse wankasa wonse.
Na wo se wankasa dey.
Oni eka.
We dey unfanti iri e. Ebubum.
So me te pio. Enye bibiri.
Pio.
Den kitin.
The man naughty.
Nwa. Ebi se maye adwuma bibiri wo.
Ma be dey me chire on kakra.
We confant me sen kan misua bibiri me ntimi ansua. Me ko so misua antran kakra. Me de baby a me ko bia kakra French kakra sa nti. Timi so ye wunim na mso ma kire. Ten. Onoga.
Onu kada.
Den kan onu kada.
Why are you still sleeping?
I don't know. I feel okay.
What's wrong with you?
I'm feeling nauseous. That's why my head tired. I don't know.
Nah, one more day.
I thought maybe I'm not going to. You have some rest, but still,
Seriously, you can't get it. I should say it's more than 4 days.
Yeah, about 3 days in there.
So then I was here.
I don't know.
So why don't you go for a checkup?
No,
babe. You're not fine.
I know, but the copy menu right now me okay still. I can go. No, why?
You see, I don't want anything bad to happen to you.
Nothing will happen. No.
Please. Such a good like you. No.
I'm fine. Don't worry.
I don't want to hear any bad news about you. Please.
I said I'll be fine.
No, let's see a doctor first.
We will go tomorrow. I'll go with you tomorrow.
No, what of today? You're not doing anything.
No, I want to go tomorrow.
Why?
Yes. I don't know. It's nothing serious, yeah. So I want to see if I just don't want to go and waste my time. You know how these doctors are.
But you have been in this situation for, as you were saying, for like 3 days, right?
Don't worry, we can go tomorrow. I haven't been able to do anything. Been cleaning. I don't have anything to in the fridge. I don't know if I should tell my dad to get me a different maid or something.
Hey. Come on, sorry. As for the cookings and those stuff, I will do it myself. Don't worry.
Can you do that?
Yeah?
Can you do it?
Yeah. I can do anything. From now on, count on me. Whenever you need anything, just call me. Food, anything. Just call me and I'll come over and do it for you. Yeah. You see, I'm a changed person now. That's my baby girl. Oh, you want me in here?
You have to. No, I'm not feeling. No, I'm not feeling well. You should be here.
So. Okay, your wish is my command. I'll go and park and come.
Okay.
I'll come and join you here.
Okay, thank you.
I'll be there.
You feel it?
Hey.
You have lost appetite.
No, Alice. I need something small, please.
Hey, get me some porridge. I don't know.
Porridge.
And now oats. I want oats.
You want
oats? Fried egg, boiled one.
Okay.
With 2 slices of bread.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, trust me. Give me 10 minutes.
Okay.
Love you, I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm in love with you. You are in love with someone. The truth is you are mine and I am yours. Stolen chef. Hey, why I won't cry. Wuni baby arako. Tido minamendobi. Love me because I love you. I will never let you go, so never let me go. That's how true love is. I'm in love with you. You are in love with someone. The truth is you are mine and I am yours. Stolen chef. Hey, I won't cry. Wuni baby arako. Tido minamendobi. Love me because I love you. I will never let you go, so never let me go. That's how true love is. I'm in love with you. You are in love with someone.
Papa kusia.
Alay.
Aza. Aza papa.
Ma aza atwum.
Inyo.
Awo to bibia.
Oh, Debbie. Auntie Ray.
That's me. Obi te ne nsan nam no sa.
Ti do obi de ne nsan nam ho.
Wa.
Otinden.
Yeah, example ba.
Otinden.
Yeah, kakre bi nam bi. I am Zoa. Hey!
Oye uzewa.
I am Zoe.
Ampa.
Fancy.
Oye uzewu.
I am Z. Hey! Yeah, awe bakumi.
Otinden.
Oye Zo.
Oye zo.
Zo. Oh, ko fancy bakuma.
You come fante the man oyen. The man oyen.
Ara mami nim zo say ye zo see you.
Oye zo papa. Hwe.
Ni ye ma ko.
Epebi mu a.
Ama meu. Ni kiki.
Ebaza.
Ni baako pe. Am ma fine. Bi da. Nti asa ama me hwemu bi na omo ya na me hu sore.
Ebaza.
Mama ne dada.
Epebi azia. Enye bezi. Dabi. Hazi wanyandem.
Ade.
Mama no.
No. No.
Epedeme ya. Yankomi room ho.
Sa.
Ai.
Ebeyem bibi.
Inti ampade enye bida.
Da. Me hwe movie na ase me da me hwe movie oba ne be me ye na jije menu so na me hu na mo ye tututututututu sorry kozi bi nso enye obi ani ni zibi ana me jese me de te azama na wo dia be
Na chede ma mafia akwa na chede enye bi ebezi. Boy. Ewu. Prawo ho.
Oh, ku prame wati? Prame.
Epedem kobri ukura.
Prame.
Nkobri ukuru.
Why? Oh, Jesus Christ. Today I'm going to enjoy myself. Please, Jesus, guide me and protect me, oh Lord. Amen. Amen, Fancy. You go, Fancy.
Obeda kobri ukuru.
We have something in common. The way you talk, the way you walk, gosh, making me fall for you. I think I'm in love with you. Is that same way you feel? I'm asking if you do. Come closure, come and hold me tight. Me and you tonight will not be small fire. I swear we have something in common. The way you talk, the way you walk.
Black, I'm really sorry for everything. And I made the crowns to say, me know you na the call hospital for you to listen to whatever the doctor said. Yeah, dear. Me ne doctor no na Marcus dear. we all thought say no, I say. Because you call, that was what the doctor told me. And mom drew. And when I came to, I bled. Like me bleedy, and they were like, I'm okay now. So I thought, say, all this while, no, I don't know. I say, in hobby. Minimum say, you heard him, right? Well, minimum say new one. I wouldn't even call you and ask them take you back or something. I'm just confused right now. Because I don't know what to do.
Okay. See, don't be confused. Nobody knows what is going on between you and I right now. And for now, it's a secret. Yes. Now, can I do, baby? This me don't want to do. Also, me do be a war won't be a. Maddie. Hello. Look at me. I will play a role of a father. Okay. Maybe be how.
This is too much for me right now.
Hey, I'm ready for the baby. Don't worry about anything. I'm the father. And I'm ready to play the role of a father. Hey. And I'm not going to cry now. Unim said that say. Maddie, trust me, it's a secret. And it's between you and I. And I'm ready to play a role of a father. She said, when you may, I was so when it's come to cooking, so people cleaning floor, no, you get it. I'm ready to do everything.
Don't worry, I didn't mean your
No,
I can do that.
Hey.
Don't worry, I can do
See, I'll do it for you. I'm ready to do everything.
Thank you.
I just want to see you always smiling. Your happiness is my number one priority right now. Hello.
Thank you, Mate.
That's my baby girl. Come on, smile for me. Hey, smile for me. What will you eat?
Come on, Mate me and no.
Eat. Listen to me. Maji bibi aboso. You see, the way I say, a dry cry no, or you cry me and a jar. Tell me, I'm off to the kitchen, so.
I don't know anything you can prepare me. I'm okay.
Anything like jollof rice?
Anything.
Okay, you want jollof rice? Sure. Jollof one now.
I'm in love with you. You are in love with someone. The truth is you are mine, and I am yours. Stolen chef, stolen chef, stolen chef. Hey, I won't cry. When you baby.